Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you really quickly how we can switch between your workspaces on Asana. For example, if you would like to switch between your projects and work with your different teams. So let's get started right away, guys. It is actually very simple. Head over to asana.com, log into your account. And basically what you need to do, guys, is click on the profile icon in the top right corner. And here you will see your current workspace. So you may create, for example, a new one, or simply switch between your workspaces. They will be listed here under account to the left. So currently you are logged into that workspace with the check mark icon here to the right, but you may simply switch to that one by left clicking on it, and that is going to redirect you to your second workspace so that you may go through its tasks, projects, teams. As you can see, guys, it looks pretty different than in the other workspace because that workspace here features a variety of projects. And that one is pretty new because I created it just for demonstration purposes, so there are no projects currently. So that's how you switch between workspaces on Asana. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.